Hi guys, it's Ivan Trades and I want to make a quick trade recap on the trade which I took. I always have this kind of remorse when I cut the profits too early and I wait to be essentially stopped out in profit in loss. I tend to react emotionally to my PNL that I play with my stop losses very and which is not necessary that I get stopped out early side of the trade which could have been a nice winner. So how I took this trade right here on the GBPUSD, you can see that there is some kind of a balanced price range right there. The overall we still have an overall bearish bias to the GBPUSD. We can try shorting whenever we get the chance. So there is a balanced 4-hour balanced price range right here. This CB right here, this one right here, which I expected the price to hold. If you see clearly, you can see that the high of this CB is also the consequent encroachment of the 1-hour CB, which is over there, which I have marked. So they are exactly the same. So I already got out the trade very early right here, like by this week right there, which is unluckily a shameful act because I could have easily gotten the full take profit. So what I was looking at is how the price was behaving side of this CB. It did not sweep any previous day's high or low, but we were reacting off of the early days low. If you look closely, if we go to the 5-minute time frame, you can see that we formed an SMT with Euro USD where we failed to sweep we made the failure swing with this high, which is the open of the new 5-minute candle right here, which was formed at 4 a.m. If we look to the Euro USD, if we look to the Euro USD, how it was behaving during the open of the 4 a.m., we can see that there has been a clear sweep of the highs. Let's go to the 1-minute time frame, and that SMT happened in the London macro, the last macro. I think it's like the photo. It's like the macro of 4:45 a.m. macro. Yeah, and then change in state of delivery happened when the price displaced above that 1-minute wick right there. Let me show you. If you look closely, this high was swept on Euro USD by 4:15, exactly when the macro ended. So when I seen this change in state of delivery right here, I entered when I did not wait for the price to fill completely this CB right here, because we had essentially two CBs, and I entered when the price made a wick inside of, you can see that here there is another CB which was retested nicely on the EU but not on Geo by that wick, a strong wick which reached inside of even this CB right here. So if I had waited for it to be reached on a Geo, I would have missed out maybe. I entered on this week essentially targeting the Asian lows because we're in the London session, but when the price pushed to the downside and started the retracing, sweeping above these equal highs right here, I had the mind to trail my stops even lower than my entry point right here, even though it was perfect. But I have realized that I tend to act emotionally when it comes to trading stops. That's why whenever I get inside of the trade and I am right about the direction, I will always place my stop where I entered, or if I entered the side of the CB on the changing state of delivery, my stop should stay there till the position stops me out break even or with my full TP. Otherwise, I would miss out on a lot of opportunities due to just acting emotionally on trading stops, because most of the times I might catch the high or the low of the day, but trading my stops leads to being stopped out very early inside of the trade, which could have been a nice winner. So that is my observation, and so far the trade did not reach the full TP just yet. If I would have left it open, but we will see. Right now the Asian lows have not yet been swept in. EU is really lagging a lot behind. I do not expect it to maybe take it out, only if this news happen. Right now you can see that we are at 455 macro, 845 macro, which means we can expect some continuation to the downside. EURUSD is seemingly very bullish, though this high right there has just been swept now. So we will just wait here. There is no rush to get inside of the trade.